Hey everyone, hope you all doing great. Welcome to this new video of Codsoft Python series. In the previous video, we had talked about the task 2 of this internship series. You can find the playlist link in the description of this video where you can watch the previous videos. Now, let's move on to the third task, which says to create a password generator application using Python that allow the user to specify the length and complexity of the password and print the generated password on the screen. As you can see the code, it is complete and clear. I have used the tkinter module, a Python's GUI module, for creating graphical user interface applications. I have written all the necessary comments so that it's easy for you to understand the code. Now let's run the program. This is the output, as you can see. This is the bar where users specify the length. Length should be between 5 and 50, otherwise it will show an error. Down there we have 3 complexities of password: weak, moderate, and strong. Weak passwords are the combination of random upper and lowercase letter. Moderate passwords are the combination of random uppercase, lowercase, and digits. Strong passwords are the combination of uppercase, lowercase, digits, and some special character. Now let's generate some passwords. Perfect. As you are seeing, it is perfectly working. You can get the code link in the description below. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.